By using the obscured glass window and the glass shower doors, we're able to get that natural light all day long in this bathroom. And just beyond the bathroom, we get into the guest bedroom, where we're still capturing all that natural light by using these large double casement windows. One cool feature about this bedroom is instead of a traditional center vault ceiling, we're doing a studio vault. That allows the ceiling to just slope up in one direction and gives us this really unique, useful space above to create a loft. The owner says the grandkids just love that space. But the best bedroom of all is the master. Let's go take a look. As you enter into the bedroom, the first thing your eye is drawn to is this impressive stone wall. Not only does it act as a nice wall finish, but almost even like a headboard in itself. We've got these wall sconces mounted next to the bed, making the nightstand wide open so you don't have to have lamps. We've got the center vault going on in this bedroom as opposed to the studio vault we saw before. And let's not forget these impressive views. We've got the patio door with direct access right out onto the deck, flanked by two windows, just letting in all that natural light and really capturing that view. Just behind me is the bathroom. Let's head in there. Just off the master is this impressive master bathroom. We've got the hand-hewn timber shelves for towel storage. The client came to our showroom and saw that and really wanted to incorporate it. This shower is next level. We're using the same tile that you see on the floor on the walls. We've got the large obscured window, just letting in all that natural light. We've conveniently located the plumbing on this wall so you can turn the water on before entering the shower. That allows the water to warm up before you enter so you're not getting hit by cold water right away. Right around the shower, we've got this impressive copper soaking tub. The client chose to surround it with the natural stone as seen in the rest of the home. Really gives it that spa-like feel. Really came together nice. On my other side, we've got the double his and her vanities. We bumped out the center section, giving us a little bit more countertop space and still allowing a nice workspace, however, separating the vanities. And right around the corner, we've got the water closet. We incorporated a large window in there to give a lot of natural light with easy access with a pocket door. And just beyond the water closet, we've got his and her closets on each side with barn door access. And conveniently located right next to the master bedroom, we've got the main floor laundry. We're carrying the same caliber of cabinets as seen in the rest of the home. At Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes, we don't skimp when it comes to the laundry or bathroom cabinets. They're all custom cabinets. We've got leather granite countertop surfaces again, providing nice space for folding laundry before you go put it away. Right over here, we've got one of two entries into the home. This one is conveniently located right off the garage. It's extra wide, so when you're coming in with all those groceries, you don't feel cramped. We've got plenty of space for coming in, sitting on the bench, taking off your shoes, putting away your coat in the closet. We've even incorporated direct access to the lower level by utilizing these stairs. That's one of two access points to the lower level. We'll show you the other one in a little while. Just beside me, we've got this half bath with this really cool pedestal sink. It's featuring a cedar flared post with a walnut top and a travertine sink. And just beyond these barn doors, we're back into the main part of the living space.